Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make your phone never turn off by itself. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on our settings, and after opening settings, just scroll down until you see display and brightness, which is located right here. So just click it and then scroll down until you see this auto screen off. So just click auto screen off and then you will be able to see different options on how long your screen will last if you leave it on. So in my phone, I only have maximum of 30 minutes right here, but for some people they have never turn off feature. So if you have that feature, then just click it, and then if you don't have, just click the max time that you have on your phone. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.